What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy KG. Back at you with another video, man. Give y'all a little goddamn demonstration on this pressure back here. Like I told y'all, I got the ZVXs back here with the audiopipe 3000. I don't know if I can let my seats down by myself or not. The amp take up the whole damn trunk. I mean the whole back seat. Let's see. Alright. There she go. Let the seat up a little bit. Let this joker breathe a little bit. But yeah, that's the ZVX with the audiopipe 3000. Now, mind y'all, this just at 2 ohms. It ain't at 1 ohm or nothing like that right there, because the amp can't handle it. See what the volume is now. It's just on 8. Turn it up a little bit. A little demo. I was up here at the car wash trying to get y'all some little content on it, because I don't like to disturb too many people with this shit, because it's loud as hell. But I mean, it's breathing. It's doing what it needs to do. I can tell you that right there. It's doing what it needs to do. Hold on, let me put the seatbelt on so there's something stop. Ding, 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 ding. But yeah, that's it, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little overview of the ZVXs on audiopipe 3000. But anyway, that's your boy KG. Checking out with a nut, man. I'm out. Peace.